to another video. So I'm just going to show you the bits that I left out my haul the other day. I left out my Amazon bits because the video ticked on. So I'm just going to carry that on, and I've also got a little order from Sparkle Supplies. I've had this for weeks and it's been sat in my box. So I'll show you what I got from there as well. So we will start with Amazon. So I got myself my usual swatch sticks, 200 stiletto swatch sticks. These are the cheapest ones I can find on Amazon. These are the ones I've used from the very beginning. Some of them are squared at the end. These ones are rounded. So I like these rounded ones. This seller, yeah, is the cheapest I can find on Amazon. It always has been. But they're literally in stock for a week, and then that's it for weeks. They're out of stock. So I've grabbed 200 of those. They should last me quite a while. Those are quite boring, but very essential. I also got myself a cheapest chips clear builder gel. So that's the brand there, Loft Warner. I don't know what it's going to be like, but this is not for building nails or anything. This is to make myself a couple of colours. Is that leaked? 1 second, guys. So yeah, it did leak. I have just used nearly a full pack of lint-free wipes to clean that up. It's all in the bag, so that can go in the bin. Yeah, so this is literally just a clear gel, just to make a couple of colours. It says 15 gram. It's never seen 15 gram. Probably about 5 gram in there. So yeah, don't buy Loft Warner. They are crap. I've reviewed for these before actually. They're crap. I won't beat about the bush. Oh, for God's sake, I'm all sticky now. God damn you, Loft Warner. Right, sticking with Amazon. Got myself a couple of polygels. I got this one. This is, I'm sure I swatched it. Yeah, this is Aorcatech polygel. It's a big 60ml tube. I got this because I liked the colour of it. I've already swatched it. I'll show you the swatch stick. It's a nice nude. I haven't got a lot of opaque nudes. I've got some that are quite sheer, but it's just a nice nude, isn't it? I like it. I haven't got any of that colour. I've got a couple that colour, but they're quite sheer. And this is really opaque, so I'm really happy with that. And I got myself a Morovan Clear in 30ml because it is the clearest polygel I've ever used. It is a little sticky, but that's the compromise, isn't it? It is quite sticky, but super clear. I hate using clear polygel on a glittery nail and then it goes cloudy. This doesn't. It's really good clear polygel. So I've got a big 30ml tube of that, and I've got myself a little Miley haul. So let me show you what I got first. This is Miley Foil Gel. I have tried it and it is excellent stuff. Excellent. It really is. I always swear by my McCourt Foil Gel. This is just as good. I cured it for 30 seconds. I tried transparent, full cover, and it transferred every last little bit. So if you're looking for a new foil gel that really works, this one does. It works brilliantly. It does stink, but all foil gels stink, I've noticed. Yeah, really good one. And it's a big 15ml bottle as well. And I also got this from Miley. This is a Norwipe Top Coat, but it's a little shimmery one. So yeah, it's just a Norwipe Top Coat, and it's got a tiny little, I should have swatched it, but I didn't. But you can see there, can't you, what it is? Beautiful. Very pretty. Yeah, so that's a big 15ml bottle as well. Cool. And I'm excited for this. So this is one of Miley's trios, and this is Festival Vibes Glow in the Dark. So we've got neon orange, neon green, and neon pink. So the pink is called Main Stage, the green is Limelight, and the orange is Glow Stick. So yeah, I can't wait to do something with them. I have got some Miley neons, but they're just neon, they're not glow in the dark. And sticking with Miley, seeing as it's summertime and we're all going to be getting our toes out, Pedicure Kit. This is cute. So it comes with a little cuticle pusher and scraper. I would have liked that to have been branded. These are branded. All Miley tools are always branded. And this actually is just one of your cheap standard cuticle pusher scrapers. Yeah, I would like to have seen that. A bit better quality and branded like the Miley products. I'm loving these nail clippers. I've wanted some straight edge ones for ages. I've got loads of nail clippers, but they're all the curved ones. So I'm really happy with these, and they feel such good quality, they really do. But yeah, I would have liked to have seen that branded in a bit better quality. Anyway, let's get on with it. So it comes with a foot cream with jojoba oil. Helps prevent dryness and cracked heels, yada yada yada. Cool, I like it. It comes with I want to try this. I've never tried cuticle remover. Softens and moisturises, and it looks like some sort of gel. I like it. My feet are gonna love me tonight. And it comes with this crystal foot file. This is cool. So it's like, you know the glass files you can get for your fingernails? It's like a glass file, but a really big one. So this is crystal glass and it's rough. I'm not gonna file anything, but yeah, it feels really good, and it's a nice shape to hold it as well. I like it. Yeah, it's a really good file. Should I just... Can you see how quickly that's filing into my nail? I like it. Right, so shall I quickly show you these glitters from Sparkle Supplies? I only got one collection, so it won't take long, but it's one of my favourite kind of glitters. So when you get a package from Sparkles, it's always beautifully packaged like this. Look, I love nice packaging, I really do. So it comes with your little card. It's got all the social medias on, places you can put your pictures and tag them. You can join the Sparkle Facebook group too. Brilliant. So I'll show you this foil I got first. I got this foil because I haven't got it. So this is called Attraction, and you get a full metre, guys, for 75p, and you can get an extra 15% off with my code. I'll leave it up on the screen and I'll leave it in the description box. Yeah, you get a full metre, so that's it folded 4 times. You get a lot. 75p. Love it. I really like that. Yeah, I thought I had that one, but I haven't, so I grabbed that. I love that. And the glitter collection I got is the Glamour Collection. I actually have already got this, but I've used it that many times and give some away, made mixes out of it. Yeah, I've got really low, so I bought another one. So you get, is it 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you get 8 in this collection, so I'll show you 2 at a time. Let me open them actually. So they always come double bagged like this, so you don't get no leakage. Right, yeah, so I've got them all open. So these are all, they've not got big hex in them, which is why one of the reasons why I love them. They're more like a medium hex. It's got small hex and fine, and they're all the same cut. So this one is Countess, and it's white, but it's got a beautiful pink iridescent colour shift. It is stunning. Stunning. So yeah, these are 5-gram bags as well. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Then we've got a couple of pinks. So we've got Vivid Pink. Look at that. Oh my god. And we have got Punch Pink. Oh my gosh. This is a bit of a coral kind of pink, would you say? Oh no, it's not coral because we've got coral. Look at these colours, guys. Aren't they vibrant? Wow. Absolutely beautiful. I love them. Stunning colours. Stunning. Then we've got a purple, which is called Wisteria. Stunning. Then we've got Marigold. So this is in between a yellow and orange, isn't it? Oh my gosh. We've got Paris and we've got Sky. These are going to make amazing rainbow nails, pride nails, because you've got your blue, your green, You could use that as your red, yellow, pink. Oh my gosh, look at these. Absolutely beautiful glitters, amazing quality. So yeah, go and check them out, guys. She's got so many unique mixes that are exclusive to Sparkles. Don't forget to use my code. I think it's UPBA15. I'm not sure, but I'll leave everything in my description box below. But that's it, guys, for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.